I was born where there was no trees. My dad used to say, pretty soon we wouldn't have no winter anymore. It feel like it's cold, but it's always mild. When we first moved here, we had winter. Then we start to have mild winter. Great big change right now on the weather is we would have maybe 20 some below zero when we would be back then. But right now the weather didn't even reach below zero yet, or zero. When the weather gets warmer, maybe some of the animals that used to come around, like our food, maybe it will be too warm for them, I don't know. Right now, the younger people, I think they think that this is how we were. TV, radio, or money in store. But when we tell them, they're very interested. We warn them, someday they might have nothing to eat. I talk to them, my daughter, my granddaughter, my son. I told them about sharing. Not only what we share, not only it comes back, but we have health by making someone else happy.